Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Starbucks stock performance, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve Starbucks stock performance, start by conducting a comprehensive market analysis. Identify key industry trends that could impact the company's growth. Examine the competitive landscape to determine how Starbucks positions itself against rivals. Review the company's financial health by analyzing its earnings reports and key financial metrics. Focus on revenue growth, profit margins, and cash flow to gauge operational efficiency. Consider external factors, such as economic conditions and consumer behavior shifts. Evaluate the potential impact of global events on Starbucks' supply chain and sales. Next, engage with shareholders to understand their concerns and expectations. Hold regular forums or meetings to gather feedback and provide updates on company performance. Develop a clear communication strategy that addresses shareholder inquiries effectively. Invest in innovation by exploring new product offerings that align with consumer preferences. Enhance the customer experience by improving store layouts and expanding digital services. Increase marketing efforts to reach younger demographics, including targeted social media campaigns. Focus on sustainability initiatives that resonate with socially conscious consumers. Analyze real estate strategies to ensure optimal store locations and minimize operational costs. Implement cost control measures to improve profitability without sacrificing customer experience. Consider strategic partnerships to expand market reach and diversify revenue streams. Increase transparency around company operations to build trust with investors. Regularly monitor stock performance against industry benchmarks to gauge effectiveness of strategies. Stay adaptable and ready to pivot in response to changing market conditions. Reassess and adjust the strategy based on performance metrics and shareholder feedback. Continuously refine the approach to ensure long-term sustainability and growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.